I'm going to share with you 5 ways to bring positive energy into your home. The first one is focus on natural sunlight. Natural light coming into the home puts us in a good mood, and it has been known statistically to improve mood. So focus on natural sunlight. The second one is declutter your space. Get rid of clutter, get rid of junk, get rid of stuff that you haven't used, let's say in the past 6 months, clothes, extra furniture that takes up a room, right? Too much furniture in a room can actually clutter your mind. So declutter your space. Oh, especially if you have a home office as well, right? Declutter. The third one is incorporate houseplants or flowers in your home. Inside your home, flowers, even if they're fake flowers, but they look nice, incorporate houseplants or flowers into your home to brighten up your mood and increase that positive energy. Number 4, hang artwork and charming decor. Hang up stuff that you find interesting. Artwork is a great way to improve positive energy in a home and improve your mood as well, okay? And then the 5th one is use essential oils. They have these things, I believe oils burn, right, on a little pad. You can do that. You can have candles. Candles are another way to help as well, but using essential oils is number 5, and that could actually boost the positive energy in your home. I hope you found these tips valuable. Share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll look to see you on the next video.